Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, the #1 YouTube channel for your online tricks and tutorials. This is a very small recap. I've been doing a series of videos about PaidToTask, so this is a very small recap. So if you're new to PaidToTask, come to PaidToTask. If you don't have an account, click join now, register using your email and password, and then you get an account. So since you already have an account, let me log in. Once you log in, without wasting time, you're going to the dashboard directory. Let me wait for it to load. Once you log in, just go to your dashboard here, directly go to your dashboard, and you are ready to start work. So on your dashboard, you go through the attention, the attention points here, like do not use trick to bypass, don't make multiple accounts, don't fill rubbish, research answers. Also, you can go through the guidelines here, which I've posted in my Telegram channel, but I'm going to pin those guidelines once again on my Telegram channel. So once you have all the rules and guidelines to follow, come here. You can start with the routers. Make sure you do 2 surveys in each of the routers. Don't overdo more than 2 surveys in each router, and you can be sure to get around $8 after you complete 2 surveys in each of these direct routers. After that, you come to the survey walls. Survey walls. Remember, the best survey walls to work on is the revenue wall. This one here. It's called revenue wall. The next one best to work on is outside media, in-brain, and B-traps if you're very good in doing surveys, and monoliths, and you can still do other offerals that you want. But I want to insist again, the best of survey offerals to work on is revenue wall, outside media, in-brain, monoliths. One ads take long to add points, then B-traps if you're very good in doing surveys, time wall, and so many others you can try. But keep note of the ones I've said that I work on. Revenue wall, outside media, in-brain, monoliths, and B-traps. But you can also try other options. So about withdraw, if you want to cash out, they take less than 24 hours to send your money. So remember, I showed you earlier my payment proofs in my previous video. So if you have not watched my previous video, go through them and you see all my received payments. So these are my payment proof, and all the payment proof take less than 24 hours to arrive. My payment proof, you can see all the payments I received. The last payment was this one, May 16, and let's go to my Binance account. I show you the payment proof, and here it is on my Binance account. It took less than 24 hours to arrive, and you see cash out above $52 have no fee. So if you cash out more than $50 and above on PaidToTask, there is no withdraw fee. So guys, if you have not yet registered, on PaidToTask, make sure to create an account, start earning, start making money, and start enjoying your life. So thank you for watching. Keep it shocked to my next video.